Hi everyone. Welcome back to Miss Chocolate, your sweet English learning channel. In today's lesson, we will practice one of the most common speaking topics for B1 and B2 exams, free time and hobbies. Let's begin. Q1. What do you usually do in your free time? Answer. In my free time, I like reading, listening to music, and sometimes watching movies. Reading helps me relax and improve my English. I often choose short novels or motivational books because they are easy to understand and give me inspiration. Music is also important in my life. I listen to calm songs when I want to relax and pop songs when I need more energy. On weekends, I enjoy watching movies with my friends or family, usually comedies or action films. These activities make my free time both fun and useful. Q2. Do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with friends? Answer. It depends on my mood. When I feel tired or stressed, I prefer to be alone, maybe reading or resting. Alone time helps me recharge and think clearly. But I also enjoy being with friends. We usually go for coffee, play badminton, or just talk about school, work, or our future plans. Spending time alone gives me peace, and spending time with friends gives me happiness and motivation. Both are important in different situations. Q3. Do you have a favorite hobby? Answer. Yes, my favorite hobby is playing badminton. I usually play with my cousin in the evenings at the park near my house. It keeps me active and healthy. I also enjoy it because it's simple and doesn't need expensive equipment. Sometimes I play with my father, which makes me feel close to him and creates happy family memories. For me, badminton is not only good for health, but also a way to spend time with people I care about. Q4. How much time do you spend on your hobbies every week? Answer. I try to spend about 1 to 2 hours each day on hobbies. For example, I read at night for half an hour before sleeping, and I listen to music almost every day while traveling, exercising, or doing housework. On weekends, I usually play badminton for about 2 hours. In total, I spend around 8 to 10 hours a week on hobbies. Even when I'm busy with studies or work, I try to keep some time for hobbies because they make me feel balanced and happy. Q5. Do you think hobbies are important? Why? Answer. Yes, hobbies are very important. First, they help us relax and reduce stress. After a busy day, hobbies give us a break and help us enjoy life. Second, hobbies help us learn new skills. For example, reading improves vocabulary and thinking, and sports teach teamwork and discipline. Third, hobbies make life more interesting and colorful. Without them, life would be boring and stressful. Finally, hobbies connect people. Playing sports or music with others creates strong friendships and happy memories. Q6. Do you want to try a new hobby in the future? Answer. Yes, I would like to learn the guitar. I love music, and I think playing an instrument would be fun and creative. It would also be a great way to share music with my friends and family. Another hobby I want to try is cooking, because preparing food for the people I love will make me feel proud and useful. In the future, I also want to travel more as a hobby, because visiting new places, learning about different cultures, and meeting new people is always exciting and inspiring. That's the end of today's speaking practice. Remember, in your B1/B2 exam, don't give very short answers. Always explain, give reasons, and add examples. This makes your speaking more natural, interesting, and confident. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Miss Chocolate, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson.